Every day, journalists around the world gather information and verify facts, create stories, and deliver news to millions of people. To make this possible, news organizations need a system that connects their people, their content, and their operations, and that system is Octopus Newsroom. Octopus Newsroom is a leading newsroom computer system designed to support every stage of news production process, from story planning to assignment management to script writing to rundown creations and live production. Octopus Newsroom provides a single platform where news teams can work together efficiently, journalists can create, edit stories in real time, editors can review and approve content quickly, producers can build and manage rundowns with ease, technical team can coordinate broadcasts, while presenter receives up-to-date script directly from the newsroom. With Octopus, everyone works from a single information, reducing the error of improving collaboration across the organization. Octopus integrates with a wide range of broadcast technologies, including scripting, teleprompting, graphic system, media asset management platforms, video system, video editing system, digital publishing tools. This allows news organizations to streamline workflow and maintain consistency across television, radio, online, social, and digital and media platforms. As the media landscape continues to evolve, newsrooms require great flexibility and faster response time. Octopus supports modern newsroom operation through remote access, cloud-based workflow, multi-platform publishing, integration with emerging technologies. Today, Octopus Newsroom is used by broadcasters, television networks, media agencies, radio stations, digital media asset organizations, and across numerous platforms and countries across the world. From local newsroom to a major national broadcaster, Octopus helps media organizations manage content, improve productivity, and deliver news with confidence. For more than 2 decades, Octopus has continued to support journalists and broadcasters in their mission to inform, educate, and connect. This is Octopus Newsroom.